Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about the different techniques that can be applied for the editing of a flowers photo. In this tutorial we apply the Adobe Photoshop. In the Adobe Photoshop we use enhancer. First we increase the amount of enhancer and saturation. After that we apply the person. By using the Adobe Photoshop then we can also use the eraser. By using the eraser, a particular area of the flower is which is enhanced is removed and the original shape is formed on the flower area. The other portion of the picture is enhanced.